What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am gonna be showing you how to download ChatGPT in your Windows laptop. So as you guys can see, click on the link in the bio below this video to go to this website, or you can just type openai.com ChatGPT download, ChatGPT /download/, and then you will come to this website. Once you come here, go down for desktop and then click download for Windows. It will take a few seconds to start downloading the setup file, so we're gonna wait. And as you guys can see, that's the official page. Click download and wait. So it's done. Open the exe file to install ChatGPT in your Windows laptop. So open the Microsoft Store one more time. And then click get. It will take a few more seconds. And as you guys can see, it's installing right now. We just need to wait more so we can get it on our laptop. And as you guys can see, ChatGPT just got installed, so now we can use it without any issues. So I will pin to taskbar so we can have it here. And as you guys can see, I can just click on the icon to open it without any issues. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us, and visit our official website, theinternetmoola.com, to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe one more time, or like the video. See you guys on the next one. Bye.